Back at you again. Getting the 6.6 together. Got the moldings on there. Coming together. Looking good. Look at that. Color sand and buff. Dash is painted. Still working on this side. But it's coming together. Look at that hood. Looking good. Check it out. Looking beautiful. Got the corner pieces on. Beautiful.
It's not buenos, man. He need to buy it and he say, oh, put it aside. It's okay.
Got to replace these. Possible replace all the windows. Put new windows in there. But it's looking good.
See that?
Oh yeah, you took care of that too. Look at that for the dash. Beautiful. Excellent.